Okay, here we go. 40 over cruiser hitting the track. Spencer Crimley in the front. Furious pending over the voice first straight as they hit the first turn. Looking resplendent, no loose surface today, looking great. Crimley still leading them out. Dave Howard to Norwich in the 2 and Paul Walcott going into the 45 overs in the 3. And Barras still getting forward. Abbey Hill, newly crowned British champion, 13 over ladies class, doing herself proud in 5. Moving on, we've got the 40 plus again, second moto, as Tim Crew for Brum. Just heading out 81 into the first turn, they're getting close. Gilbert in the 2. This class today is sponsored by Electrical from Kings Lynn. All classes today got a sponsor. Cash on the line for the finals. We'll come back to the prize money later. Back in the last turn, Big Rouge coming off as we turn back our attention to the 30-39 and it's Barnard in the front. Just got a new tune out. We'll come to some details of his new tune, producing music from his bedroom. Or some other romantic. Captain High Top tune, keep an eye out for it. Sturge got the urge to the turn bar in 2, and you've got in 3. Jackie. That's the 16-29 trouser, and it's the Bullish duo of Cutmore and Potter 1 and 2. These guys are in 1-2 in the National Series. Ollie also got the British title, first British title, which probably won't be his last. Absolutely reaches the cruiser out, week in, week out. Powerhouse Potter won't let him have it all his own way, training in 2. I think running in the 13-14's the only guy, so just having a bit of fun with it, whipping it out in 3. Moving on to the MJ7 and Sons, 6 and under class. And all partners slip to pedal and give it to Milan Makacek for breaking bullets. Chance to steam ahead. So it's Bullets 1-2 with Makacek and Cannons. With Cutler there in 3. Coming round into the tree, he has second now, still Makacek absolutely smashing out the lap, putting a big gap, leading them out. That's been busy, get some bike clear, we've got some new wheels, some new forks here, everything's getting pro. Oh, I can see a new rider in there. Oh man, new rider, I can see
Go on, Matt.
In the front nose, the 3, Jones and Carey, Peterborough. So Carey for Curtis, 1-2 in the first turn. With the other Peterborough guy, Aston Chapman there in 3. Great racing today from the 6 and under class. New riders coming in all over the class. Great for the Ross Richmond Sport.
Go on, Matt! Go on, Matt!
Peterborough and Walpole 1-2. Walpole fielding 5 riders today, I think. It's like with no track, but things are getting there. Battle going on 4 and 5.
Go on, Matt! Go on, Matt, keep going!
Johnny Frost getting close to that final 4th spot. Moving on to the UK.net BB Trophy 7-year-old class. Joshua Barlsby from Humco. Pulling like a train ahead of Braintree's Adam Gilbert as they go around the first turn over the table into the doubles. Still the Hunko rider, Josh Barsby, leading them out. We're going to play check for the guy in 3. Looks like that's Adam Barras. In the free stop from Milton Keynes with the 682, Oliver Dwight from Royston. Doing it for the home club there in 4. So the Hunko Hornet, Barsby, looking safe, other side down, little roost on the last turn, head to the right. Ooh, got a big roost there.
Spin.
On the go.
Oh, it's off.
Missed the first one. Okay, 902 and Josh absolutely reached for the first out. In the 2 spot, I recognise that number plate. Luke Taylor for Ipswich. Rocking the next Goodman number. Got a bit $100 for the double, but held on tight. Keeping Abbott honest as they come around the S-turns now. Charlie Wallace. And in 4, Haley Great to see Ipswich, 2 riders in 1 moto. Got Abbott, home track, great time.
Well, Matt. What's
Where did you come? Fault winning.
Why'd you bite, Matt? Move it.
Got a bit sideways, but held on
Nice
tight.
Where'd you bite? Can you move it out of the way, please?
Frankie Leahy, leading out the lap. If Dermot can hear us, if Dermot goes to the registration hut, please. Dermot Leahy to the registration hut. Turn those engines back to Frankie Leahy, into the rail, in the 2 spot for the Norwich Flyers. Looking good. Got a bell coming on now though. Ian's coming around the outside, Frankie down to the second best, in the rail. Shakes the wind for the last turn.
Nice one. You've done well. You've done really well.
National riders put him down there for free agent, but he's got a $100, got a bit sideways, jumping through, slipped the pedal. This gives Seb Pantley for the bullets, chance to slip through on the inside to Pantley. Now leading out. Bowyer, Pantley, Bowyer, 1, 2, bullets and Milton Keynes. Elliott's hit the inside again and slips out, so in the 3 spot, we've got the Royston rider. 9, 6 points across his arm. Greg Bell going on the front though. Pantley's gone wide, Bowden's gone inside. What's going to happen? Looks like Pantley might hold on to it. More 8-year-old boys, and Kyle Hill had something to bring to the fast. The older Hill brother absolutely smashing this out. Looking good today, Tapman in the table, in the 2 spot. Alex Dory for the bullets, followed by Jack Everett for the bullets. Going 2, 3, and in the 4th spot, loose away from Royston. Still Hill, doing Daddy proud. Coming around the last turn, cruising on home. Hit the first straight, and Morgan Durrell from Norwich hitting the front with Abby Pike in the 2 spot. Both these girls repping the red line bicycles. So Durrell taking off her assist left here on her pass, leading them out for the Flyers. Pike for Ipswich, looking good, riding that 1 plate. In the 3, Harry Alexander for the Royston Rockets. That's leaders for coaching here at Royston, real good to see.
Yeah.
We're back to the boys class. On with the 9-year-olds. Sponsored by ERG Motor Repairs here in the front, Stonebridge. For Peterborough, looking good today. Guy in 2-spot, smashing out the turn. That's Freddie Jackson. The bad BMX club. Solid rider, real power. In the 3, we've got that 38, Alex Leach.
Go on, Ben. Go on, Ben. Keep going.
Still Stonebridge. Really good. Last game.
Keep pedaling, Ben.
More 9-year-old boys. And this is going to be a race today. We've got the 5 plate here in the front. William Good from Hunco. Tyler Carter in 2 for the Bullets. And in the 3 we've got Jack Leahy from Milton Keynes. So it's Hunco, Braintree, Milton Keynes, 1, 2, 3, Carter, keeping good honest now. Half a wheel here, half a wheel there, and we've got to move on the inside as we come up and over the table. Carter's been riding some forecast the last couple of weeks. Down at 6 ends yesterday, used to these loose turns and it shows he's leading them up. Great style in the last straight.
Well, that's good. What was Ben in 5th?
Yeah.
Coming up here.
I can't accept the top he runs.
We're on to the quality clean male 10-year-old boys. One of the most solid and competitive classes we've got here today. 16 riders, lots of national talent. But here in the front,
That's good,
low
mate.
boy Bradley Marmol doing it for the Rockets.
Yeah.
We've got Alfie Salmon also for Royston in 2. And Joe Carter taking full advantage of the age of the day rules. Looking at the inside, making a great move there on Salmon. Salmon, his brother, been riding some four-cross, used to these loose turns, well committed and smooth. Looking for moves all over. And he's really turning out, pushing for the run.
I was going to say, I couldn't see anyone.
What race?
I thought there's no one there.
Huh?
Huh? Well, you just have to go. You're about 5 races after Matthew, I think.
What Matthew said? What one? Is Matthew this one?
Nah, you've got quite a few yet.
That was really bad
Behind the
position.
fence, behind the gate. If you're waiting on the back of the hill, can you all just shut it? This is one of the strongest fielding motors of the day, and here in the front, national winner in 2012, Luke Mendez, pulling like a train, and behind him, we've got Joe Reed Millard, Sidney Allen and Tom Stokes battling in there with free agents Harry Restall. 5 great national riders. Still Mendez from Milton Keynes come so far this year. Won his first national at Derby. Sid Allen yesterday down at Chicksands, boosting out. 6-pack trials line. Some of the adults won't even try. Grab that moment. So Sid in 2, Joe in 3, Harry Allen 4 and Tom in 5. That class is going to go off. And Ross Neil Evans, Gate comes down, thick and fast racing here. And James King, another rider, come a long way this year, doing it for the Royston Rockets. Took national number 2, I believe. Big 3 in the end. Still, and Charlie O'Grady, also taking podiums in nationals this year. And the golden winning break came so close to him, got straight in the 2 spot. Battle of James Williams, Grayson, Christian White, Jake and Lee, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 12s, push sponsored by Fuel Bicycle Company. But Agro Racing here in the front is Miles Fisher from Royston. Action high up, the riders get older, the racing gets faster. And Fisher's got the power. Sam Blanche chilling back there in 2, rocking the Fuel frame. So Agro Racing and Royston, Fisher goes to track, keeping it smooth. Ish as they come in the last couple of turns. Back on here with the second rapid 12-year-olds and the guy from Milton Keynes here in the front of Joe Kitchen, looking good in the 2. We'll get a name check as they come around, and it looks like the 47, Harry Garr, in the 2 spot, closing that gap now. So Kitchen's going to have to keep his head up and keep going. In the 3, we've got the 398, Charlie Davis, also for Royston 4. First picture out of breaks from the day for Edward Parker. So Kitchen from empty, to the line. On the 13 goes, and we've got another great national battle. There's only 2 of them, but they're going to take this head-to-head all day long. Libby Smith, source Route 55 and Redditch, powering down the straight, but Olivia Howard, Redmond Rockstar, absolutely flying, taking the lead all the way through the S-turn now. Libby Smith pushing her hard all the way around the lap, and we've got Jess Mendez for MK in the 3, for these girls, rocking the Nationals, doing it today. We're moving on to the mixed stage groups, sponsored by the studio again. It's the 13-14, and we've got a head-to-head battle going on here. Josh LeBrove got a great game, pulled with Josh Butson, had too much power, taking the lead. Butson for the bullets, in 2 we've got LeBrove for the bullets, and in 3 we've got the 22 plate, Charlie Giles also for the bullets. And if I really must say, in the 4 we've got Jordan Ray for the bullets, and the 5 Ben Hill for the bullets. Look at the bullets, got the lock on this class today. Second back 13-14. That bullets up there, getting all the way. There's the guy from Peterborough, Ryan Hutchinson, is on fire. He's only been riding 9 months. He's playing football in January, and the play was the mountain biking. Then that ball over going a little bit wide. And this is what you can do when you try real hard. Lead out the lap. And Charlotte for the bullets in 2, looking smooth. Review Williams in 3, also for the bullets.
No.
Looking on for the 14 over ladies.
What age do you think they are?
Great rides in this day. Mainly for the 14 over girls. It's going to be a tight affair. One of the favourites from Peterborough Agro Racing, Beth Campbell. Spoke to her dad in the week, he said I won't like to see her wheels off the ground by the end of the year. We were at the NSI yesterday down at Birmingham, she did just that, got her jumping shoes on, leading out the lap. Campbell 1, Chelsea.
Get back up there now, if I was you. Get back up there.
More 14 over ladies, we've got a couple of new guys in there and a couple of fast ones. Oh, we've got pressure on the first straight. That's Megan Grant from Ipswich hitting the deck. As Victoria Gala from Braintree. From Braintree? We like riders from Braintree. Hits the front. Looking good, Lana Ridgewell. I just know it's Lana, that's on 2. Lana in 2. The Victoria 1, Lana 2 is the 3. Ladies from Ipswich still having a little chill, I think she's okay. Okay, on the Moto 25 and the 30 plus, Matt Allen, Lee Carrick, all the fastest guys in the Masters, here in the front, Townsend. Nice to see Godfrey ain't changed, still only got first straight. Well, 3/4 of one. Allen, Carrick, Townsend, 1, 2, 3, then Warden and Hill looking for the battle. 80 Warden doing it for the old boys. In the free spot for the whippersnapper, having a look. 2008 all over again. Imagine it's me, are you kidding? Moving on Moto 26, during the first 10 motos, you need to take to the back of the hill. Turn our attention to the racing, and we've got an American, Harley. It's Harley Kelly, hitting it down the second straightaway now. We're hitting the second turn, he's looking really keen. Wheels of steel, hitting the front, doing it for the US of A double A Pro. Harley Kelly in the 2 spot. We've got one of the 98 PRA guys, Lee Alexander, doing it for Ivan Racing.
That's quick.
There goes down and we're on the 17 plus, and it's a man who's well over 17, in fact he's 47. It's Alan Hill here in the front on the Project 79 carbon redline frame, Norwich Flyers, double national champion yet again, 3 years straight on the cruiser and 20-inch national title, looking super keen today. Johnny Hastings from Peterborough back on the bike, after ripping on the nearly 1%, having gotten through, expecting to over, it's the day. 80 Warden's back on track again and absolutely flying behind Tim Drew from Birmingham. So Drew, Warden, Howard. Good to see 2 Norwich Flyers battling in 2 and 3 with Williams for the Bullets in 4 and Mears is here in 5. Still Drew, leading them out, looking smooth. Battle coming on now between Norwich Flyers. How polite will they be? Second rack 40 class. That man Cremian from Milton Keynes hits the front again. With Gilbert for Bullets in the 2 and Devereaux. Dangerous Devereaux in 3. Proved a fantastic chase to breakthrough last week. I saw a run, fly, crawl in a river section. Unorthodox approach, but it was fun all the same. Nigel Stonebridge for the Phantoms, looking to swoop, brave move on that second last turn. They're coming in the last turn. It's all getting busy now. 3 abreast down the last straight. Back to the 39s in the studio, design of 3 plus and Paul Barnard, Mixmaster Barnard for the Flyers. Here in the front, Sturgeon for the Bullets in 2, Turnbar on his way through. You'll notice one thing, Dan does pedal. Also pedaling, Sam King in the 3. Likes to get better too, a bit of a local lovely on the side as it goes. In the 4th spot, we've got the 990 plate. Recognise that bike. It's Lee Warner. So these guys just keep that knowledge. And I believe the Phantoms are still undecided as to who their representative will be. So we've got that 1629 cruiser and couple on fire. Looking good. Heard the club on the free-wheel there, boys. Looking smooth. Tough gig riding 2 classes back to back. But this is what these guys do. So couple on fire. Tullock chilling in 3. Little Jack Leahy rides cruiser everywhere. In the 4th spot. The couple chilling it out. Man, he's waiting. Also in the chairs, right? We also have the chairperson, Julie Watts, repping for the region as a whole, so we have a full gate of 8. OJ Sarah, South Baxter, 6 underclass. In the front this time is Jones and Carey. So there's 3 guys battling on through. And in the 2 it's Josh Curtis for the pole. So we've got Carey and Curtis again, 1 and 2, the guy from Breakthrough on his first visit.
Actually, the next one.
Another track.
8-1.
That's Ollie Frost looking good. Eddie Cannon's also for the Bullets in 3 and Barney Deborah now back into 5. Into battle with 1. Very good. That's a battle going on. Eddie Cannon. Go on, Eddie.
Go on, Matt!
Go on, Matt!
He's gonna have trouble on his hands though. He's got the guys. Phantoms 1 in 2 and 3. Putnam and Chapman. Chapman just in head, but Owen Putnam looking underneath. Goes back in the 2 now. Chapman's coming back at him. Still at the front, Makachek powering away, looking good today, looking good.
Go on, Matt!
Keep going, Matt! Keep going! Go on!
Go on!
Last couple of turns. Makachek looks so up.
Go on, Matt! Keep going!
Good, it's good.
See, it's tired though.
It runs out of steam back there.
Yeah.
It's actually, it doesn't eat anything. I said eat more and you'll have more energy to do it, you know?
Well, now we're on to the 7-year-old. Josh Abbott and Adam Gilbert. These guys are going to battle all day. The final's going to go to the wire, and Abbott's showing a bit of a home track advantage. Powering out the first turn, leading out. Ryan Gilbert. Gilbert on his first ever attempt to the British Championship. Missed out on the main to the semi by 1 place this year. Absolutely devastated. He's looking great today, but Abbott looking even better as they're driving around the last couple of turns. Smooth to smooth. Guys, Richard's there in quick.
No, that's fine.
He's only got 150 on the new race here. Okay, let's go.
Don't put it there, Matt.
Guys, where are we? Oh yeah, more 7-year-olds. TrophyUK.net. 7-year-old boys, the guy from Hunter, John Barnes for UK. Leading out of that, pedaling everywhere he can to keep himself well ahead of the field. Making the second half of the lap easy pickings for him. The 3 spots still with number 3 Adam Barras there in 2. We've got back to 3 now. Guy from Ipswich, 3:45.
On my other one I came first. You didn't see me, did you?
I've seen it on the video.
Doing well, Muff. Doing well.
You won't be able to see me.
I'll see you now. And it looks going to be the lady from we've got evening 2. Who's that leading about? That's Frankie Lee here again for the Mill Kings Club. Few changes down there at Mill Kings recently. Starting to get active towards their regional next week. And Frankie Lee is looking good. And my servants bring my clothes. Can you afford me with this young lady?
See you in.
Looking good, but there's a foul now. Leaders around. Second time, that's out of today. Keeps it on, takes the lap. Pull out with some cups. Anyone's got any empty cups? Can they get them back to the container, please? Perfect manual through the first double to take the lead down this long first straight as we're into the first turn, still powering out the turn over the table, through in the double, looking good. In the 2 spot, we've got the guy from Royston now. Get a plate check as he comes through, it's the 964, that's Josh's arm. So still Boger in his arm, 1 and 2 with Jack Everett for the bullets, here's the 3. Still down to the second. Seth Manning going to go head to head. The Norwich Flyer has flown to the bullet. Barnhill, second generation of the Hill family, rallying it out, looking good today, looks hungry for the race. Apparently won't get beat too easy, holding on here in the 2 spot though. Where we got in the 3, we've got the guy. That's Josh Crisp. The finally heard it or not. In 3, that's 4, but there in 4. Moving on to the 89 girls. Again, moving around from Ipswich. Barry put the gate from Matthew Pike in 2.
Ben's up next.
Is he?
Guys through the far side from the Ipswich fans. Well, it says more electric starting blue into Tara Peaks today. Who has that? For those of you who were at in the 3, we've got the girls, still in 1, that's Hannah Drew in front. We've got Louis Millard back there in 4. Go all the way down the field, Harry, and go inside, really good, forward. Now the old boys in the track, and it's the 18 place here in the front. That's Jack Leahy, creation. Lead away into the fire. Clubmate also for the Phantoms, Reese Richmond in 3. So Leahy, Leach, Richmond, 1, 2, 3. Joe Waters, Frank.
Come on, Ben.
Right to the break, Captain Spurs. Race away from the home track, looking good there as well. Here goes the top motor, good. Stonebridge, Carter and Carter absolutely ripped that first jump. Stonebridge got some power, Carter looking around the outside, not going to make it around the outside, going to come back to the reset. Good there in 3. Hunted, looking for the lap, here comes the move, and it's Carter on the inside of Stonebridge. Stonebridge now powering back as they come back through the triple. Into the S-turn, Stonebridge now on the inside, can't make the move stick, Carter pulls away again. In the last couple of turns. Carter looking good today. Stonebridge keeping honest. Really good speed up there now. It's 3 on the number 5 today. One of the top national riders. Looking good today. We've got in 4. On the quality clean 10-year-old class. Again, 8 in Stone down. Cindy Allen got snapped. But Alfie Salmon on his home track's got the power and he's leading them out into the first turn. The Salmon and Allen 1 and 2 going to get busy as they're coming down that second straight. Salmon's on the outside, Allen on the inside, took the tech section well and leading them out. Jamie Edwards just got pushed out a little bit, pushed back to 4, couldn't see Aaron Vestal. 3 agents into 3. So Sid Allen, Braintree Bullets, flying in 1. Salmon into 4. Just goes about the mention these days, he's hit the 3. Unlucky Harry Westel out. Aaron's tough up, he's got back up, give him a round of applause. After these guys, Miss Mendez and Reed Millard sandwiching Bradley Marble right up as they're going into the first turn. So Mendez, Reed Millard 1 and 2, Luke jumping on through, here comes Stokes round the outside, can he make it stick? He's gone round the outside, now he's on the inside, got Marble out of the way, so he's hitting the screen. Now Joe Carter's going to have a look, might not work round that corner, let's have a look as they're coming into the last couple of turns. Marble's getting through all over the top, back to 5. Carter's in 4th, and Mendez, Reed Millard, Stokes and Carter. 1 Mil Kings, 3 Bullets, take the top 4. Boys, O'Grady and King as they go down the first straight. Charlie tried to cut off, but he's given James too much room. And King will not be shut down on his home track, leading them out. Round in the second turn, his speed's gone out the lows from the 10s to the 11s, and these guys are trying. Christian White with the Bullets in 3 again with Jake King, Lee Buxton. 4 and 5. Top 3 is going to be the place to be. King, down the door, getting the inside line. Last turn, riding that pure frame, lead them out as they hit the first turn. So clutch with a guy in 2, we're going to play check as he comes back around. I would have fucking funny what you say after seeing the kitchen wheel Kings in 3, this is 581 pounds that well. In 2. Starts with that well, 1 and 2, starting on through. everyone, boys, and Miles Fisher for the home club. In the front, we got the 813 in 2 there. Sid Newman for the Rockets. So it's Rockets 1, 2 and 3 with Ever Parking for the Bullets. New rider, good to see these new guys coming out to the champs, having a go. Fish is shutting it down, looks safe. Newman in 2, so it's the Rockets 1, 2, 3. Goes in the air. Down 13 goals, Olivia Howard, Louis Smith, Morton Reddick, Redmond, Swordsman 55. Class sponsored by Sydney's Hair Design from Northampton. Raffle tickets, they're all down at the front. Big hole will be very shortly. And if anybody likes to donate, you can see the raffle ticket. They've got the goal in the bucket. To go with the money collected from registration to go towards that charity. So we've got it out in 13, 14, great mixed class. 13s or 14s, always been super close. These guys have got a battle on now. Josh LeGrove, great to see you, Ryan. He's rocking the new. I'll go with expert frame, but I'm probably wrong. It's probably a pro. That Anakin frame for aggro racing. Only done it a couple of weeks, looking good. And it's all goes. Won't get beaten too easy. Looking on the inside as we're going the last straight. Super close races. Buxton and Hutchinson 1 and 2, and Hutchinson's got the pull. Buxton's got the style, and here we go down the first straight to Hutchinson for the Phantoms. Leading out, Buxton for the Bullets 1 and 2. Hutchinson's overjumped, lost a bit of momentum. Buxton's having a look, but Hutchinson won't be beat, so he's coming around the outside. Buxton's still looking for lines, checking the move. In the 3 spot, we've got the number 6 plate, Zach Foreman for the Roysters. Just do that guy from Peterborough looking good in the last week. Boy, over goes. Campbell's got the snap and pulls like a train into the lead. 33, Victoria Garner there in 2 for Braintree, and then we got a battle on with Lana Redwell and Amy Morris, Bullets and Phantoms 3 and 4. Phantoms currently in front. Redwell, still Campbell though. As they're racing in the Phantoms, little slip there, had to adjust. Coming through the last couple of turns, this turn to the car, a little bit in the face. Track steps all the time, visual organic racing here at Woodford. As we pop along to the 70s, soft cell, Kelsey Dixon, another aggro team rider, good team this year, successful first year of racing, looking through to another big year for the team. So Dixon, super snap, putting away from DM Millington in 2. Isabel Potter in 3 in the lady, just started. Great to see her out there. Megan Grant for Ipswich in 4 to a big hit. Good to see her back on the line. Here we go then, 30 plus. And it's the guy from the USA. Now in current lead, ABA style, Harley Kelly. Lee Alexander in 2, Nick Carrick in 3. And Ginger 4. So Chrome 1. UK Ultimate in the 2. Kelly and Alexander. Getting tied up a little bit, Alexander. Fighting in. We've got a race on the last straight again. Here we go, more 30 plus man and surge the group and the bullets hits the deck. While Alan hits the front, so it's Peterborough 1, little whip out from Alan. In 1, Hill in 2, Townsend 3. And the guy from Milton Keynes, Lee Lock in 4, looking smooth on that new SLS Speedmaker frame. Want to check out quality frame? Let's check out that frame. And there's a sucker bang, Spikey hits the deck. Alan Hill Townsend, 1, 2, 3. No, he's going to cut across. There it is. My head's like that, I don't get up too quick anymore. Here we go then, the Mayo 17 plus, sponsored by Agro Racing, and it's the Ipswich pair, Goodman and Livingston 1 and 2, the whippersnappers of the class, with Hilly, the old man in 4, 2 young guys behind him, wanting a bit of the action, that's Howard and Cutmore, 4 and 5, going to the wire, these motors get hot, still Goodman, it's getting close though, we're going to get busy, Howard's having a look at the inside of Hilly, but he was kind. Second round 17 plus, Agro Racing sponsored, and the Agro Racing rider doing it, repping today, Taylor Andrews, leading out Johnny Hastings. Great to see Hastings back with a taste of racing, but he gets shut off and his little brother's now behind him. So we've got the foul on now, that's going to be on, as we say it, Hastings Jr. goes down. Hard now, in the 3 with Jake Brown doing it for the Bullets. Great to see the Britton brothers out here racing today, and he's fighting with a clubmate Potter.
Commentator's cursing it today.
If I say your name, be ready.